Ketan Agarwal's father has spoken out after the arrest of his fiancée Sia Goyal and her lover in the death of the 26-year-old. He stated, and I quote, if she didn't want to get married, she should have simply refused. We would have cancelled the wedding immediately. Why did they decide to take such a drastic step? What kind of a mindset do they have? Take a listen.
कि फरवरी में मंगनी हुई थी, उसके बाद से कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा था। तो वो बार बार कभी उनका बाली कैंसिल होता था, पासपोर्ट चोरी हो जाता था, कभी कुछ। कई बार वो पहले 31 मई को लोहगढ़ फोर्ट गए घूमने के लिए। उसके बाद इमीडिएटली उसने बोला कि हमको 5 को भी जाना है, 5 जून को भी जाना है। तो 5 जून के लिए हमने इनकार कर दिया कि जब 31 को जाके आए तो रोज रोज वहां क्या काम है। लेकिन उसने बहुत जिद की कि नहीं, मेरे को जाना है। लेकिन फिर किसी वजह से वो जा नहीं पाए। फिर वो लोग जा रहे थे 6 तारीख को शाम को बाली। जाते समय 4 लोग एक साथ जा रहे थे, सिर्फ केतन का ही पासपोर्ट चोरी हो गया, जिसकी वजह से वो जा नहीं पाए। एयरपोर्ट से वो रिटर्न आ गए। रिटर्न आने के बाद हमें ये समझ में नहीं आया कि एक ही बैग में जब सब चीजें रखी हुई थी, बाकी सब करेंसी।
Shweta continues to be with us on the broadcast. Shweta, we've heard what Ketan's father had to say, and what he's essentially trying to say is that there were very suspicious developments that were taking place back to back. The multiple visits that were being planned left, right and center, how the passport suddenly went missing even though he did carry it with himself at the airport.
Well, that's right. In fact, as a short while back we were hearing from Vishal Agarwal, father of late Ketan Agarwal, and he specifically mentioned how back to back there were suspicious activities that was going around Ketan Agarwal, and he did mention that in a month, not once, not twice, in fact 3 times plans were made for trekking at Lohargarh Fort. Remember, 2 times the attempt got foiled allegedly, and here we see that for the 3rd time somehow Sia Goyal was somewhere successful in her plan, and later on she said that it was an accident. But clearly we see that from passport being stolen to another case of taking 3 times to Lohargarh Fort is something very important to understand, that how this entire case was murkier in nature. In fact, highlighting a very important point, it was stated that how when we speak about Vishal Agarwal, he clearly stated that if there was any kind of whether she was feeling not to get married to Ketan Agarwal, she would have simply said no for the marriage, but there was no point killing somebody's son, killing a human being rather. In fact, here we see that how it was a pre-planned conspiracy, a plot that was made just to end somebody's life, and this is something very unfortunate. And while right question being there put up by Vishal Agarwal, questioning the mindset of youngsters today. So clearly in deep trauma, in deep depression, the family went, and while the actual truth was emerging, they had only one question, that what was the actual need to let Ketan die. The simple answer could have been no, not to get married.
Absolutely. Shweta,